Okay, so here we are at Geoff The Welder's workshop once again. He's had me framed for a few days because he's making me something for it, and I believe he's hit a problem, so here we are just to see what's going on. Hey Geoff, and there it is there. Okay, so Geoff, here we have my Z frame, and what we're here for today is because you're making me a stainless steel battery box or electrics box to fit in here. And you made a good start. You made this one here, which was to the dimensions that I told you about, which is for a UACE battery to suit the bike, and now you're making this kind of outer skin for it to sit into. And you've got a slight problem, not really a problem but just more of a question mark, which is that this beam here, which is just in there just to hold it together, isn't very lined up, so it's as if the frame is a little bit twisted. Now what I can say to that is the frame on the jig was fine in terms of the swing arm and the headstock, but it's possible that this bit here at the back isn't quite there yet. It's also possible that these holes, which were there on the original bike, have not been drilled particularly accurately, because they didn't need to be. They're just there to hold, I don't know, the rear seat in place or something, or the rear seat unit. I don't think they're there particularly accurately. What counts is that this is in line and that's in line, which it is as far as I know. So touch wood, and if it's not, we'll put it back on the jig and double check. So yeah, so what we've done now is you've just tacked on this cross mount here to the frame, and that's fine, and also tacked on the back cross mount here to hold this in place. That's also fine. I would also add, these are not there for strength, these are just there to hold this in place. There will still be another bar welded across here, a great big chunky bar across here to strengthen the frame at some point, but not yet. Yeah, so now if we cut this down a wee bit, we can then fill in these gaps. Yeah. I'd also add, if anyone's watching this, if we just look at that now, like that, the frame isn't parallel, those rails are coming at an angle. And it's possible I could make this to follow that line. But I didn't bother because A, it's quite complicated to do and more expensive, and also because this bike's having side panels, so it doesn't matter anyway. And I want to have a bit more space behind because the coils might go there or some more electrics, and that's why it's not an issue. So yeah, so far so good. Okay, so just making sure it's all squared up now, and then we can put those sides on to this box.
What's happening is it's just pushing it so that's got to go up more, that's got to go up more, and then that's got to be square. That's square. Like that. So that's got to go up more now. That's got to come up.
Right. Okay. Let's go back over here. Happy now?
Yeah.
Okay, good stuff. Do you want me to come and hold it for you?
No, you.
Okay. Okay, Geoff, here we are back again. We've got the new stainless steel box in place. It's a bit low, actually, needs to go up a little bit, about there, that's fine. Plenty of room here because I might want to be fitting coils or electrics on the outside of this box behind the side panels. The other thing we'll be doing is just try to tally up some of the welds that Geoff did, because he's using a stick welder and they're very strong welds, they're not going to go anywhere, but they're not that pretty. So you've now cleaned up them, I think, yeah?
Yeah.
And that one, that's a lot better. And around here, that's great.
Yeah.
Have we done anything else?
Yeah, at the top bit.
Here?
There, yeah.
Yeah, that's great as well.
And down that, round that boss.
There, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, still a little bit of a hole there.
Yeah, but we can do that one now.
Just that one.
We can do that
it's just
now.
that small stuff, yeah, the powder coat will hide it, but that is quite a deep.
Right, we'll do that. That's why I want you to look at it, make sure.
In the same nail, but you got a little
Yeah.
divot there.
Right,
It
I'll
may
get
not
that
be a
one.
problem because once you powder coat it, it'll hide something, but it won't hide everything. And also there, look.
Yeah.
There. That's fine now, that's great.
And that top one I've done.
Yeah, that's great. There, yes. There, that's cleaned up a lot, it's great. Yeah, just one there, and the one on that side. And that's it, we'll be happy then. I can pay you and go home and drink some more tea.
Oh, sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
See what them are? See, some of them is like slag traps, and they just blow up because he's got air pockets underneath them.
Yeah.
Because he's not been taught by a master, you see.
No. Well, Geoff's welds are.
Yeah. See that look?
Yeah.
In Bailey's deep sea test.
Yeah.
In Bailey's pipe test.
Would he? Oh well.
Well, he would do. Too much porosity.
Okay, Geoff, so you're done now. So you cleaned up this one, this one, this one, this one,
That one.
around here, and the one on this side.
Yeah.
Now I don't really care about the welding on this inner side because you can't see it. When the swing arm's in place, the engine's in place, you can't really see it. So not too concerned about that. Turn it round. Not sure that's been shot on up, but anyway. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Yeah, a lot better than it was anyway.
Yeah.
So hopefully all the powder coating will hide anything that we're not too happy about.
Plus
But
when you get all your other stuff on it, you'll not see the frame a lot.
No.
And what's
Plus,
this going to be now?
this is a Kawasaki Z650, but it's going to have a Kawasaki 1100 motor in it, a big motor. But I'll build it like an old Z1. It's going to have a Z1 style or Z1000 tank, side panels. Not sure about the seat unit yet. I've got to make a seat unit. And obviously here, we've not yet sorted out the back end. So that's been chopped off. So when I know what I'm doing with the back end, I'll bring it back and we can make something. Yeah. It's going to be welded on here, maybe a bridge or something like that, I don't know. Maybe a loop, who knows. I haven't decided yet. It's a long way to go yet, I've got a lot of things to do. All I've got is a frame, an engine in bits, a rear end, and that's it, a tank. That's all I've got. So yeah, but this is supposed to be my 2020 project, so I'm a bit ahead of myself.
Right.
But whatever. Anyway, pay you now, get that in the car, get home, have some tea.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.